A pleasant good morning, my dear parents and my beloved Akshans. How are you all? I think you are all staying safe and you are all eagerly waiting for your favorite festival, that is Diwali. Correct. It is fast approaching. Within 1 or 2 days, you are going to celebrate the Diwali, the festival of lights. Every festival, whatever we celebrate, it teaches us values. Correct? Values plays an important role in our life. The sharing and togetherness, sharing of sweets, coming together and having a joyful time. So festival teaches every values in our life. So let us see about the celebration of Diwali. Really, I miss you all in school, Akshans. If you are all in school, really, we would have celebrated a very good Diwali. But no problem, you are at home with the parents. So I want you to celebrate a very safe Diwali at home. So let us see what are the do's and don'ts of Diwali through these slides. Okay, are you ready? Fun and togetherness is a value what we learn in every festival. So always have fun with the family. This is a time you are spending with the entire family at home. So never forget, joy is there. Wherever family is together, joy will be there. So enjoy the time which you spend along with your family. So having delicious sweets, actually our life, our memories, everything should be sweetful. So never forget to take sweets, but in a limited way, not in excess way. So you take a limited sweets on that day. The next, the unforgettable, the interesting part of Diwali, that is bursting crackers. So always we talk about green Diwali. Yes, we will take a rally and the kindergarten Akshans will take a placards in their hand and they will light diyas and they bring the diyas and we go around the school campus to emphasize on green Diwali. But Akshans love to burst crackers. Am I right? So there is a way, there are some do's, there are some don'ts. What you have to follow in bursting the crackers. So here I have come up with some of the safety tips to burst crackers. I think my dear Akshans will follow the same. So first, selecting the crackers, you have to always buy high quality crackers and you try to buy it from a government licensed shop. Okay. The next one, if you take, and nowadays we use sanitizer often. Because of this coronavirus, we often use sanitizer. We rub our hands using sanitizer. Correct? And after using sanitizer, please don't burst crackers. Because sanitizer contains alcohol. It can easily catch fire. So be very careful. Before you burst your crackers, just wash your hands with the soap and then you burst your crackers. Because often when we apply sanitizer, alcohol will be in your hands. So avoid using sanitizers before bursting the crackers. The next one, your dresses, you would have purchased a colorful dresses, right? So avoid wearing very loose cloths, that too made up of silk or linen or nylon cloths. So avoid using such cloths and then try to wear cotton cloths. That will be the safe for you. And next, small kids will be there at home. So never allow the kids to play with crackers or come near the crackers while you are bursting it. So safety is very, very important during Diwali. And then when kids are bursting crackers, see to that parents are always near the kids. Even when you burst crackers, tell your parents to be with you while bursting the crackers. That is safe for you and for the family. This is very, very important aspect. You should have a bucket of sand or a bucket of water nearby you. After bursting crackers, for example, when you use sparkles, after bursting or cracking the sparkles, put the sparkle inside the bucket of water so that if anybody stamps on it also, it will not affect others. So this is very important. Whenever you burst crackers, have a bucket full of sand and water with you. And many have the habit of bursting the crackers having in the hand But that is really dangerous because sometimes the cracker will burst within a minute or a second. So avoid bursting crackers holding it in your hand. And other one, when you burst crackers, some crackers will not burst immediately. It will be waiting for some time. So what do? You will just go near and take the cracker and check why it is not bursting. So please never do that. If one cracker is wasted, please throw it away. Don't touch it again. That is not at all safe actions. The next one. And you should not use a candle or a matchbox to light the cracker. Because if you take the cracker's thread, will be very, very thin. If you use the matchbox or candle, it will light easily and burst very quickly. So never use that. Use a long stick, lengthy sparkle to light the cracker. And get away immediately. Don't forget to get away immediately. And there should be a distance from the cracker. So as soon as you light the cracker, please move away from that place and use a long taper to light the fireworks. Okay. Actually, you can avoid lighting these rockets. But if you want to light rockets, please go to an open ground and burst it. Please never burst in a crowded place. This is dangerous for others, for neighbors and those who are living in huts and all. It is very dangerous. So avoid bursting in a crowded place. Burst it in an open ground. Can be selected for bursting the crackers and your face should be upwards and not facing the road or a building. This will affect you because you should be very, very careful while lighting the crackers. So while lighting the crackers, your footwears also should be very tight. It should not be very loose because when you run away from the cracker, that will disturb you a lot. So these are some of the do's and don'ts. And when any hospital or any medical centers are nearby, please avoid crackers and aged people. They will get more disturbances because of these crackers. So you can avoid in such places. The next is the small creatures which are living with us like dogs, cats. Actually, they are allergic to the sounds. Let us also protect the pet animals and we should not disturb the pet animals during Diwali. Let them also have a happy Diwali. That is also very important. The next is near petrol bunk, near fireworks shops or near electric poles or wires, we should not burst crackers. It is not the safest place to burst crackers. So I think you will be following these things, and government has given two timings, that is morning 6 to 7 and evening 7 to 8. So at these two timings you can burst the crackers. So this crackers not only pollutes the air and it also disturbs old age people. So you can avoid bursting crackers. To greater extent, avoid much sound giving crackers like atom bomb, hydrogen bomb. You can avoid such crackers which gives out more sound. Okay? It should not be a disturbance to others. So these are some of the do's and don'ts of Diwali. So here let us conclude by saying Diwali is a festival of lights where we can share the happiness and have a peaceful Diwali. So wish you all a happy Diwali. Thank you.